Rohan here again from Groove Learning, and this is the last video in our series on the complete guide to getting a well-designed website using 99designs.com. So yay, we have our winner. At this point of the game, we have selected the best website that we think will connect the best with our audience and that will have the highest conversion rate, that is appealing, and so on. When we find that website, we give it the 5-star and we select it as the winner. 99 Designs would automatically contact the designer and let them know, and then you would start the process of handing over the design files and making everything official. So what happens next? The designer will send you a PSD file, which is really your design blueprint, including your fonts and so on, and the images, and basically your entire design. And then you will wrap everything up and confirm receipt of those files, and then 99 Designs will pass on the prize winnings to that designer. At this point, you would then be in contact with that designer still, because you may need some inner pages for your website, and that's what we usually do. So we would speak with the designer and have him or her agree to work with us on a few additional pages that we would need. Usually you can do that for just a few $100s per page. So for example, for backpack moves, this again is the final design. We took the file that the designer gave us and we sent that to a developer of a completely different skill set. So we always make sure that our designers and our developers are two different people, or two different companies, or two different whatever, but the skill sets are quite a bit different, and we have found the best results with making sure that these are two different entities. So we take this design, we send it to our developer, and our developer works on it and creates our website. So this is the final Backpack Moves website, which we think will connect well. And we had our designer make us some inner pages, and you can see, we have a help page, a very simple page for help, different topics and so on. And we have a book now page where our customers could come and they can select service right away. Very, very simple, and we're ready to go. So, and this was also a logo that was included in the design. Very, very simple. We go with very, very simple logos. This one has a little twist because the back is spelt backwards. But beyond that, we go with very, very simple logos. For example, here is the logo for wetshaveclub.com. And you can see it's absolutely very, very simple. So the challenge after we get the design, which we will probably go into in another video series, is how to take the design from the PSD file that we receive from our designer and make that into a website. And usually we end up going to a place like upwork.com. They used to be odesk.com, or something like Freelancer. I think they used to be Scriptlance, or any place where you have a very good developer that will take the PSD file and turn it into HTML, or turn it into a WordPress theme or something of that nature. And I like to say that the development side is really the easier part of the process. The design side is the part of the process that takes a little bit more of your effort and a little bit more of your attention. So once you come back with a very, very good design, you really increase your chances of having a business that's going to do well. Design is like super important. It's really your design, your branding, your conversions, your chances of making money from that website starts with a solid design. So I hope you guys got a lot from this series, and I would be super happy to answer any additional questions. You know, if there's anything I can answer, you know, I've been through this process quite a few times, and this is what has worked for us, and I hope it works for you as well. Thanks, and we'll chat soon in future videos, or on Facebook, or in groovelearning.com. Thank you.